Hello students, welcome to Tiger's Rich Digital Online Classes. So today we are starting with a new chapter, that is the way the world looks. The way the world looks means how the world look from our way or from the other way, means someone else from your mom's way. Here we are not saying in this chapter we are not going to see someone's views or something, but we are seeing some objects. If we will see some object from top, how it will look, from side, left side, how it will look, from left side, how it will look, then from front side, how it will look. Okay, so here is a journey of some Gappu. Yeah, so let's see what his journey it is. Gappu's air journey. Gappu is a mouse. So what happened one day? Some children was playing with a huge gas balloon. So the balloon went. They were playing in the room, and it went up and it touched to the roof. You also play with a balloon, and when you leave that balloon, it touched to the roof. Same way, Gappu was watching that thing. So when next day when children went to the school, Gappu climbed up that string. The string was tied to that balloon and Gappu climbed up on the string. So now he is observing the room from top view. Means he is now near to the roof and he is observing that what he is looking down and observing that how the objects are, or how the room is looking from top view. Okay, now let's see what he is doing. Oh, what he's saying. Oh, there is so much dirt on these blades. From below, they look so clean. On which blade the dirt was there? On the fan. When we see from fan from below, means from downwards, we see it clean. Yes, because mama cleans every day from downwards because her hand don't go up. So it looks clean. But when we see from the from top view of top of that fan, there is lot of dirt. You can observe this in your house also. Take a chair, ask your mama stand with you, take a chair and climb on a chair and see the fan blades. See the fan blades. You can see dirt on that fan, but from downwards you can't see that. Why? Just because that is a top view and you are looking from a below down view. Okay, so they had asked, draw how the fan looks from below. Now, when you take a paper or page, sit down and sit under the fan and draw that fan. How it look? Okay. Now let's see what Gappu is saying. Now this is the room, Gappu's room. Means where Gappu is living, where in which house he is roaming. That house view they had shown here. So see, look, things how it is looking. The chair is there. From top view we can see the chairs, even though he can see the chinky, that is a mouse, sorry, the cat. I think so she is near the table. Can you see mouse, sorry, cat? See, I think so on the table the cat is there here. Yes, so the cat is trying to what he is Gappu is saying that cat the chinky want to cheese but can't see. It is kept on the top of a jug. Somewhere jug it is there. Here I think so the jug is there, and on the top of that jug there is a cheese, but Chinky can't see. But Gappu can see. Why it is? Tell me. It's just because Gappu is seeing from the top of that bedroom. He can see all things which are kept on the top. But Chinky, she is below on the floor, so she can't see that top things. Yes, that's why this is the top view of the bedroom, and Chinky is on the floor. Okay, now let's go on page number 52. Same, they had asked, can you think why Gappu could see the cheese on the jug, but Chinky could not? Yes, why? Just because Gappu had climbed on the string and he can see the top things of the room, but Chinky cannot. Okay, now let's see. So what Gappu is saying, when I ran around in my house, it looked so big, but from here it looks so small. How is that? So when we goes around the house, it look you can do one thing. Go with your mom parents on with your parents on terrace, or if you have a balcony, go on the balcony and try to look down. Take your parents with you, okay? Don't go alone. Try to look down in the parking area. You can see the parking area, it's too small. Yes, it's too small. And when you go down, actually in the parking, it looks very big. Why it is so? Just because from the far distance, the things, the objects look very small. That's why from the top view, we see things very small, or we see the area very small. But when we are present there, it seems very big. Okay. Now, Gappu's balloon, started flying in the sky now. It went in the sky. Now, as he looked down, he could see his house. When it go higher, he could see the things around his house, park, Gurudwara, railway line. You can see the picture over here. This is somewhere his Gappu's house is there, so he can see the near places around near to his house, just like a park. He can see Gurudwara, railway station is there. Then many what do you say, vehicles he can see. But all the things are small, small. Why? Just because he is away from that object. Now, who is that on the now he saw the cat, a fat cat Monty, a fat cat Monty on a railway track. And now what he's saying is from here it looks a big white mouse, because it is too small, na? If someone went up, so the things looks very small. That's why the big fat cat Monty is looking like a big white mouse. I did not know there is a sweet shop here. Now, when he is going up, he is going recognizing the things, many things which is present near to his house. Okay, let's go on page number 53. What things he is going to see now? Imagine how your classroom looks from above. Try to draw it and mark the benches, blackboards, doors, and windows, etc. Now you know your classroom. In last year, you had sat in your classroom, you had seen how it is. So first, what you do, draw a classroom. If you're sitting, draw a picture like you're sitting in a classroom. Then draw a picture from a top of view. If you're think that you are a gappo and you're sitting, you're on a you had climbed a string of that balloon, and you're looking your what we say, classroom. So how your classroom will look? The table, the teacher table, the table, the blackboard, how it will look. What the benches, all the benches are kept, how it will look. Doors, windows, how imagine that thing and draw that picture. Okay. Now, the balloon went up and up. Gappu kept wondering how big the world is. So now he is going up and up as the air is taking him away, up and up, up and up. But at what one time, what happened? Now he's observing these cars and buses are looking so small, just like a toys. Obviously, when you have a toy, small toys, it is very small. But when you see the actual car or railway, it seems very big. But as he is going high and high, what he's seeing, he's feel that big railway and big cars are looking like a toy car or toy railway. Yes. Suddenly there was a loud sound. Fat. The balloon burst and started falling down and down. Everything started looking bigger and bigger. So what happened? When he was going up and up, immediately balloon bursted. And what happened now? He came down, down, down. As he was coming down, all the things suddenly looks like a bigger, 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 and he dhap. Dhap means he fell down on a railway track in front of a Monty cat. Yes, he fell in front of Monty cat. Now he was very afraid, because when saw that the Monty cat from up, how she was looking like a big mouse. Yes, big white mouse. But now actually he is in front of that Monty cat. Now he is afraid. Now this cat will eat me. So what happened? He immediately start running on that railway track. See, he ran to save himself from the cruel Monty, and the Monty also ran behind the Gappu. So when Gappu saw the railway track from above, it looks like this. Yes, the railway track was looking like this. And when actually he was going, he can see the actual track and all the things. Okay, let's go on page number 54. See the cat, the Monty cat and the Gappu. You can see on page number 55. He stands in front of the cat. But when he fell on the track, the railway line looked like this. Oh, things look so different when you look at them from the top and from the side view. Obviously, if you take some bucket, take a bucket. When you see from the top of that bucket, the bucket looks different. When you see in front side view of that bucket, it will look different. Not it, instead of bucket, you can see your sofas, teapoys, all things you can observe. From top view it look different, and from side view it look different. Now look at this picture. You can see the railway track, also the track of this candle. From that side we see that the track is too small, narrow. Yes, but from this end what we see, it's look like a wide or a big. Yes, from that we can see a wide, and from this end we can see a narrow. Big at this end but narrow, and small at the other end. Yes, wide, we can see a big and a narrow. So why it is there, why it's so, why we see these things? Yes, why we see, if you stand on a road also, from the road, and you are standing on the road in your end road looks wide and big, but when you see the other ends, it looks very small. Why so? It's just because because the tracks are being observed from different distance. We are observing from different distance. We are observing from our distance, and someone else is standing from the other end. He will observe by his distance, or we are it's observing the other part. It is from the other distance. Okay, understood? Now let's see. Match two views of the same poses. Here one girl, she is doing yoga pose, and we have to match. This is the top view of the yoga. This is the top view of the yoga. This is the side view. This is the other side view. This is the back view, and this is also the other side view. So what we have to do? Which yoga pose is similar? This. Which from among these photos, four photos, which is similar to this yoga pose? Just see properly. See her hands, see her postures in these pictures, which hand she had stretched behind, and then observe. Can you see in this picture? Let's see in this picture, she had took her left hand. So this will be not. Yes. In this picture also she had used her left hand. In this picture, she had what she had done. She had used her in this, we can see that she's stretching her hand, but she used the legs portion. See the leg portion, it is different. Yes, this is the way, this is different portion, and this is different portion. Two legs we can see here. So which is a correct portion? Which is a correct picture? This is the correct picture, because she is using her, she is stretching her right arm. Let's go on page number 55. Now here are two pictures, different views of bowls. Some are from it. One is from up top view, and some other one is from, they had kept ulta, means opposite. Yes. In which photo are the bowls upside down? In which photo bowls are upside down? For that, for getting the finding the answer, they had given us one picture. With the help of that we will able to understand which is the upside down bowls. In which photo? This, in this photo or in this photo? Yes, tell me, in which photo The bowls are upside down. According to me, I feel so this photo has a upside down bowls. Yes, see properly. It's in one line. See the shadows also. You can see the shadows. Shadow is not important because as the sun travels, the shadow it also come different. But the middle bowl, you can see this is smaller as compared to the other. So this is up, down, up, up. Both sides are up, and middle one is a down. So upside down. Now what you have to do, draw lines to match the side view with the top view of the pipe and funnel. So from the pipe, this is a pipe, and this is the other part of the pipe. This is a funnel, and this is a funnel. Yes, funnels means from where we pour the petrol or something we use for that pouring one petrol or water. So for that we use a funnel. So you can observe that what will be the top view and what will be the side view. Try to draw a picture of the shoe from the side, top and front, etc. Take your shoes in front of you. Try to draw side view of that shoe, then top view of that shoe, and front view of the shoe. In this chapter, we'll just learn how the objects look from the top view and side view, and you have to understand that thing. For that, you can do experiment in your home. Okay. Remaining part we will do in our next session. So till now, I'll send a worksheet for you. So till, okay. Bye. Take care.